The Katha Upanishad is the most popular Upanishad. It deals with the same theme as the rest of the Upanishads, which is self realization. However, it is more effective than the others. There's a lengthy dialogue between the ideal student, who is a teenager named Nachiketa, and the ideal teacher, who is Death himself. The question, who am I, against the backdrop of death, is highly dramatic and is also very relevant. What happens after we die? What actually dies? Are we going to be torn away from everyone else? And can we do something about death today? These are the questions that it addresses. Now, Nachiketa's father was giving away his possessions in order to gain religious merit. But Nachiketa was not very impressed because the cows that he was giving away were too old to give milk. Nachiketa asked him, "What purpose will it serve?" And then he asked him very rudely, "To whom are you going to offer me?" Nachiketa's father got very angry and said, "To death I shall offer thee." And so Nachiketa made a journey to the abode of Lord Yama, the Lord of Death. He had to wait at his place for 3 days before Yama arrived. Yama was very sorry that he had made him wait for 3 days, so he granted him 3 boons. Nachiketa's first wish was that his father should forgive him and they should be reunited. Yama granted him that. Nachiketa's second wish was that he wanted to know about the fire sacrifice that will lead him to heaven. Yama taught him that. Now, Nachiketa's third desire was that he should know the secret of death. Now, Yama did not want to reveal this secret to this young boy, so he tried to dissuade him in many ways. He offered him many riches, but Nachiketa refused all of them. So finally, he revealed the secret. He said that those who get self-realized overcome death. He said that the body is like a carriage, the mind are like the reins, the intellect is like the chariot driver, the self is the lord of the chariot, the horses are the 5 senses, and the roads they travel are the streets of desire. Those who do not have control over their minds and senses wander from death to death. But those who are able to still their minds and have a pure heart overcome death. Thank you.